You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly, which means life. If you want to learn more French pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pronounced vie. You probably know the expression c'est la vie, meaning that's life. Vie is how it's said. In English, this exact word exists and is pronounced vie, but in English, it's pronounced vie, as in c'est la vie. How to pronounce in French, how to say life in French, vie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.